Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you? Very good. Today we are going to do reading of long sound A words activity.
Okay, ma'am.
You see, there is a blackboard in front of you. I write some words related to long sound A. One by one, you read these words, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First of all, Rihan, stand up and read this word.
C-A-K-E. Cake.
Very good. Clap for him. After that, Yash, stand up and read this word.
E-A-L-E-A.
Very good. Clap for him. Khushpreet, stand up and read this word.
P-R-A-Y. Pray.
Very good. Clap for him. Puneet, stand up and read this word.
G-R-A-A.
Very good. Clap for him. Tanish, stand up. Beta, read this word.
S-A-I-L.
Very good. Clap for him. Sit down. Amrit, stand up. Beta, read this word.
B-A-K-E. Bake.
Very good. Clap for him. Sit down. Amrit Pal, stand up and read this word.
R-A-Y.
Beta, speak loudly.
R-A-Y. Train.
Very good. Clap for him. Fateh Singh, stand up. Beta, read this word.
N-A-I-L. Nail.
Very good. Clap for him. Harshit, stand up and read this word.
T-A-I-L. Tail.
Very good. Clap for him. Me, stand up. Beta, read this word.
M-A-K-E. Lamp.
Divyanshi, stand up. Beta, read this word.
S-A-L-E. Sail.
Very good. Clap for her. Kanishka, bache, stand up and read this word.
C-A-K-E. Cake.
Very good. Clap for her. Shivkarn, beta, stand up and read this word.
B-R-A-Y. Day.
Very good. Clap for him. Rishabh, beta, stand up and read this word.
G-R-A-Y. Great.
Very good. Clap for him. Sit down. Shiv, beta, stand up and read this word.
L-A-K-E. Lake.
Very good. Clap for him. Amrit, beta, stand up and read this word.
M-A-L-E.
Shivanya, stand up and read this word.
N-A-I-L. Nail.
Very good. Clap for her. Okay, thank you everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.